Hi, I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to show you how to use the Spike Flow brew pump.
The Flow comes ready to use right out of the box. The Flow is offered in two versions, one with tri-clamp fittings, the other with NPT fittings. In this video, we will show the TC version, but the setup and operation of each are the same. You will first want to mount your pump. It is best to keep the pump head positioned with the outlet pointed upwards. The outlet is marked with an arrow going out of the pump. The 3-inch tri-clamp can be loosened so the pump head can be rotated to mount your pump as needed. Today, we'll be using the pump sitting on the ground, but it can be mounted to your brew stand using the mounting holes on the base. You can now connect tubing from your kettle to your Flow. Note that if you are using the NPT version, be sure to wrap the threads of the pump head with Teflon tape first. To control the flow of your pump, you can add a valve to the outlet or use the valve on the inlet of your kettle. This will give you the best control of the flow rate. Today, we are using a valve on the pump's outlet to control the flow rate. Pro tip: never restrict the flow before the pump, as it causes the pump to run dry, which can potentially damage it. Start with the empty hoses and all the valves closed. Open the drain valve on your kettle so that liquid fills up the tubing between your kettle and pump, as well as filling the pump head with liquid. Then, open all valves between the pump outlet and kettle. You'll now want to prime your pump, removing any air in the lines. First, unscrew the air release valve, ARV, a couple turns until you see a solid liquid stream start to come out of the barbed bleed port. You can use a small cup or 3/8-inch tubing to catch the liquid coming out. Next, tighten the ARV until it's fully closed. Your pump is now fully primed and clear of air. The Spike Flow has a built-in power switch, so you can turn it off directly from the pump or from a control panel if you have one. Your Flow is now set up and running. After your brew day is completed, you can clean by easily disassembling your pump and soaking everything in brewery wash as well. Another option is to clean your pump by running hot brewery wash through it for 5 minutes or so.
And that's how you use the Spike Flow. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team, or you can check out our website or YouTube channel for more information.